Well, hello there, and welcome back to Meaningful Moments with May, a space to reconnect with yourself, realign your energy, and to remember the deeper meaning behind every experience. And so today, I want to explore a truth that we all face at some point or another in our lives: challenges. We often see challenges as roadblocks, moments that slow us down or knock us off course. But what if they're not detours at all? What if they're invitations to grow, to realign, and to expand into a higher version of yourself? This episode is all about shifting the way you see the hard moments in life and discovering how to transform them into opportunities for alignment, purpose, and power. The truth is, there is a hidden gift in every challenge. Every challenge carries a hidden message, a deeper lesson that's calling for your awareness. It might be asking you to pause, to let go of control, or to strengthen your own faith, or to recognize your own resilience. The key is to stop asking, "Why is this happening to me?" and start asking, "What is this experience trying to teach me?" When you shift from resistance to curiosity, the energy of the challenge changes. It no longer feels like something happening to you, but something happening through you and for you. Let's talk about how challenges can create transformation. I'd love for you to think back to a moment in your life that felt impossible at the time. For me, it was being a 20-year-old single mom. And now I want you to look back and you can realize how it shaped you into who you are today. That's transformation. Challenges push us to release what no longer serves us and to find strength we didn't even know we had, and to step into the next level of our evolution. Without discomfort, growth can't happen. So in those moments of tension and uncertainty that we're stretched, and in being stretched, we become capable and more than we ever imagined. And when you learn to practice the prosperity principle of non-resistance, you begin to shift your energy from resistance to flow. So here's a few ways to begin transforming challenges into opportunities in your own life. First, change your perspective. Instead of labeling something as bad, ask yourself, how could this be guiding me towards something greater, something better? Reframing opens the door to empowerment, to receive answers from your higher intuitive self. Second, learn to anchor into trust, even when you can't see the outcome. Trust that there's a purpose in the process. Life rarely unfolds in straight lines, but every twist has meaning. And finally, take aligned action. Challenges often reveal where action is needed. Maybe it's calling for you to set a new boundary, or create a new habit, or to make a bold choice. Listen to what your situation is asking for and respond with clarity instead of fear. Let's take a pause here for reflection. I'd love for you to take a deep, grounding breath with me right now. Think about a challenge that you're facing right now, big or small, and ask yourself, what could this challenge be teaching me? Maybe it's patience. Maybe it's trust. Maybe it's an opportunity to strengthen your faith in yourself or the timing of life. Whatever it is, know that you're not being punished, you're being prepared. Every challenge carries the seed of transformation. When you meet it with presence, awareness, and trust, that seed begins to grow into something powerful. You're not defined by what happens to you. You're defined by how you choose to rise from it. So today, choose to see your challenges differently, not as obstacles, but as opportunities for growth, for grace, and for alignment. Because sometimes what feels like falling apart is actually you falling into place. Thank you for sharing this meaningful moment with me today. And if this episode spoke to your heart, share it with someone who may need a little reminder that growth often hides inside of challenges. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that others needing to hear this message can be found. And until next time, stay open, stay grounded, and keep finding the light in every lesson. Bye for now.